Okay guys, today I'm going to show you cheapest and easiest way to do CPA marketing. So if you're a beginner and you don't have that much money to invest but you wish quick results, then you must watch this video. And also I'm going to show you how you can get these cheap ads totally free. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay, first I have to say that you can successfully use this method on CPA Build, on Max Bounty, on CPA Lead or any other CPA affiliate network. But for the purpose of this video, I am going to use CPAgrip. So let's just say I wish to promote CPA offer from United States. So here I am going to search United States, okay? United States. And let's say I wish to promote offer in category, I'm going to choose email and zip submit because those are the ones that are easiest to promote. And because we are going to use paid ads, you must choose, do you wish to promote offers, desktop offers or mobile offers. So let's just say I wish to promote mobile offers. So click here on all mobile. And now I can see only mobile offers. So let's just say, for example, I wish to promote this offer here. Grab a $750 PayPal gift card now. Here you can see I can earn $2.05 for every email submitted. And this is my CPAgrip affiliate link. So I will copy that and I'm going to paste that in Notepad because I'm going to need that. Okay. And now what I need to do? Now I need to start driving traffic to my CPA offer. And for that we are going to use a website called AdFly. And I'm betting that you heard for AdFly. But you probably heard for it because you were actually making money. But you can also use it to get traffic. So what you need to do, you need to click here on advertiser because we wish to get traffic. Okay, so now we need to create a campaign. So what you need to do, you need to click here on create a campaign because we wish to create a new campaign. And here you can choose interstellar ads, pop under ads, push ads or banner ads. Now for the purpose of this video, I have chosen pop under ads. And here you can see how much it will cost you to get 1,000 visits from each of the countries. Worldwide, you will have to pay only 80 cents to get 1,000 visits. Here you can see for United States, here you can see you will have to pay $4 to get 1,000 visits from United States. So let's just say, for example, I wish to get 2,000 visits. So here I will simply type number 2, okay? Just type 2. And I need to scroll down on the bottom. And here you can see you have ordered 2,000 pop ads showing for $8. So I will pay $8 to get 2,000 visits to my CPA offer. So now I need to click here to enter. And now I need to create a new pop under. That is exactly what I need to do because this is a new ad. I don't have previous ad campaigns on this account. Campaign name, let's just say, for example, gift card, okay? Gift card. And here I need to add my CPAgrip affiliate link. So I will simply copy this, Ctrl C, and I'm going to paste that here. Maximum daily budget, I will leave it as it is. Here you can choose other options. Desktop or operating system. Well, actually I don't want desktop, I only want mobile because we have chosen mobile offer. All devices, mobile carrier, all mobile carriers, leave this as it is, okay? Here you can choose, you must click to agree to the terms and condition and you must click here to agree to the disclaimer, okay? And here you can see you will pay $8 to get 2,000 visits to your website. All you have to do now is just click here on pay for campaign and your campaign will be reviewed and it will start within 24 hours and you will start getting traffic. As you can see, really simple, really easy. You can set up this literally in 5 minutes. It is that easy. But I already told you, I'm going to show you how you can get these ads, AdFly ads, totally free. So what you need to do, you simply need to go back on AdFly. So let me just go back here on AdFly and go here on Publisher. And then what you need to do, you need to go, for example, on YouTube. And let's just say, for example, I'm going to search for dogs. Okay, let's just say dog. Actually, press enter and then click here on filters. And then click here on this month. And then again, click on filters and click on view count because I wish to find the video that is going viral. Okay, here you can see this video here. This is a shorts and it got 23 million views in just 3 weeks. So this is a good video. So what I wish to do, I actually wish to right click here and then copy link. And then I need to go back here on AdFly and I need to click here and I need to paste that link and click here on shrink. And now I need to copy this link and now you need to start sharing this link. For example, you can share that link on Twitter. For example, just paste it here, click here on tweet and you will share this video, this YouTube video on Twitter. And if you have lots of followers on Twitter, you will get lots of clicks and you will earn decent money for 1,000 visits that you send on this shortened link that you link on the link that you shortened with AdFly. Okay? But to speed up the process, if you don't have that many followers on Twitter, what you can do is you can simply go on a website called AddMeFast. And here on the left side, you can see how you can earn free credits by following people on Twitter, tweeting, retweeting people's tweets, watching YouTube videos, saving Pinterest pins, and so on and so on. And after you get enough credits, at least 3 or 4 or 500 credits, you need to click here on add a site or a link. And here you need to choose Twitter in this case. So you need to choose Twitter retweets and you need to add your tweet ID. You need to add credits and then click here save changes and people will start retweeting your tweet. And in that way you will reach even more people. You will potentially reach 10, 20, 50, maybe even 100,000 people. And those people will start clicking on this link that you shortened in AdFly and you will start making money. And after you earn enough money, and we saw after you earn $8, in this case, you can exchange that money for visits to your own website, to your own CPAgrip affiliate campaign. And in that way, you will get free ads on AdFly. Now, this is another tip for you. To be honest with you, you will probably need to send at least 10 to 15,000 visits through AdFly to your CPAgrip campaign in order to start getting conversions, in order to start getting people to submit their email and to start making money with CPAgrip. So you will need to send at least 10 to 15,000 visits, but you will start making money with this method and with CPAgrip marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.